What up, though? It's your boy Cheddar Man from Loud Crowd Exotics, Cheddar Man Films. What's the deal? Hey, I've been busy, y'all. I'm sorry about that, but I have been busy. You know what I'm saying? Looking kind of rough right now, but you know I'm still a player. Wanted y'all to see the new wrap that's on my, I was about to say Suburban, on my Tahoe, my 2016 Tahoe. Looks great. Definitely looks great. We gotta fix some things on it. Other than that, looks good. The color's crazy. Shit. So I almost showed y'all, my bad. The color's crazy. I actually had it wrapped for about 4 to 5 days now. I didn't vlog it yet. I posted a few pictures, so some of y'all might have seen it. Some of y'all haven't. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Normally, I go through the whole process with y'all on the truck and stuff like that. So this time, I didn't really get to do that. So, you feel me? Hold on, y'all. My bad. But anyway, I didn't get to do that. So, I said, fuck it, let me make this video. You know what I'm saying? Plus, everybody been waiting. Everybody want to see it. You know what I mean? Stuff. It's crazy because a lot of stuff happened in between me getting this car done. So I really didn't get to go in like I want to. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Still a showstopper. You know what I mean? If y'all want to see it, I'm about to show y'all right now. You did. Bam. Here we go. Call her Black Cherry. I call her Black Cherry. Sorry about that, y'all. Some kids over here where I'm vlogging at. This grill is getting blacked out. And then I have the Chevy logo the same color as the truck. So that grill is going to be blacked out eventually. These headlights will be blacked out. You know what I'm saying? Got them on the Ruchis. We're gonna rewrap them though. Got a couple flaws in them. Look how wet that wrap look though, y'all. And I ain't do nothing but wipe it down. No water touched it yet. Look how wet it looked though. You know what I'm saying? Get back some more so you can really get an understanding. You feel me? I need to pull it in the sun. Yeah, I'm gonna bag it up and pull it in the sun real quick so we can see how that thing look in the sun. You can see a little bit. Hold on. Let me get this thing going in the sun, y'all. Real quick. Lips all ashy. Don't mind me, y'all. Know I'm looking crazy. No, I'm looking crazy. Sheesh. It's hot. But the color crazy on this thing. I'm trying to see if I can get... Oh, I gotta move it again. I'm trying to see if I can get some good sun on here. Fuck, it's baking. Bag up somebody just trying to pull in. So bag up some and pull up some shit. Alright, let's see if it's gonna do. It's gonna have to do shit. Yeah. Alright. Hey. Let it focus, let it focus. Here we go. You can see kind of the purple in there. Well, you're gonna see that purple for sure. Got a little green in there. You know what I mean? Let me go straight down like this. Damn. The roaches. Gotta redo the rims though. Couple pieces I'm gonna redo on here, but overall, he's doing what he needs to do. You know what I'm saying? Got a little green in there. Y'all see that green? Goldish green. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Definitely looks serious though. You know what I mean? I ain't seen no wrap like it. Now, if it is somebody out here with this wrap, I didn't know. Yeah. Everything looks better blacked out. Remember, it was all chrome. A lot of pieces on here was chrome. Like this was chrome. That blacked out. There's a lot of stuff on here chrome, y'all. All the moldings around the door. Other than that, it looked wet too, man. It just looked like paint. Now look, y'all see me good. That's my reflection. Y'all see me real good in here. You feel me? It definitely looked like paint. My door handles, I like kind of how they spin off my caps, but I might just change those as well. I'm still not done. I'm gonna rewrap a few things. Then I still got to do my interior. My interior is, let me show y'all my inside real quick. It's junky as hell. I haven't even got it washed or nothing. Look at this shit. But I got the big screen right here, as you can see. You know, got to clean my shit though, so don't talk about me, y'all. I'm doing that today. Then I got the 2 headrest TVs. If you've been following me, you seen I had those in my last truck. Then I got the one up there. You know what I'm saying? I ain't put my music in yet. I'm still trying to get a feel for the wrap and the whole wrap process. I never had a truck wrap before. And actually, I like the concept of being a wrap because you can always change your color scheme. You feel me? But you just gotta make sure your wrap is quality so it will last. Because if you don't, you just have to keep on rewrapping shit and rewrapping shit and wasting money on material. So it's good to try to get a good wrap done and then go from there. Just like I said, I'm not planning on driving this truck in the winter anyway, but you know, rain, you gotta put all that into a factor. Look at that boy. Oh, I gotta turn this around. Hold on. That's a nice view. Shit. Yeah, it's crazy. And you can definitely see the imprint of the other cars, man. It look wet as hell. It looks great. I ain't gonna cap to you. Yeah, you can see it flip. Definitely see that flip. I call her Black Cherry, y'all. Black Cherry. Yeah. Enough of Black Cherry. I'm about to get up out of here. I got some shit to do. This was gonna be a quick video. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what y'all think of Black Cherry. Like I said, it's not complete, 75% complete. Let me know how y'all feel. Tell me how y'all like the color. And like I said, comment below. Likes, comment, subscribe. We out of here. Yeah. LoudCrowdExotics.com.